On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message statue fail. So all what you wanna do to fix this problem is actually so easy. All what you wanna do is just open the settings, go to apps, go to the Instagram app, and now this is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you want to do here is click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, go back, click on data usage, make sure that all those network access options are enabled, and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. Now, last thing you wanna do is make sure to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.